Ta-da! This is
gotcha! Gina Best.
unboxing tayo, bebe. Kasami, scissor please. Say cut it please. Cut it please. No. Cut it please. Cut it please. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to unbox the bag that I bought a while ago while we were shopping in Tokyo with favorite sister. So we have this kind of raincoat for our shopping bag because Japanese loves to take care of the item that you bought. They usually put a lot of plastic paper bags and whatsoever. Ta-da! Of course, this is second-hand, so there's no more paper bag. So lucky to have this box because they gave me a box even though the bag that I bought doesn't have a box. Ta-da! Guess what it is? Yes, bag. What kind of bag?
Traveling bag!
Traveling bag. How about you? Traveling bag. How about you? Tagan, huwag na natin siyang isa. This is the...
Gotcha!
Yes, I really want this one. Yes, I really want this kind of print. You know it already if you're watching my video. I always buy the Eclipse. The Eclipse. This is what you call Eclipse because it's black monogram. They released it 3 years ago from Louis Vuitton. And it's really on a good condition. There's no flaws or damage or whatever. They still have this one. Even though the
Stretch mark.
stretch mark. Let's take a look closer because there's no flaws. Like no. They still have this one. There's no flaws. The only flaw is I saw it a while ago. But I think they wipe it already. There's no flaws. Oh my God. I'm so lucky. Even though inside, like, there's only few dust, but I can remove it. And there's key. Look, there's dust bag. Oh my God, I know now why this is cheap because there's initial. But it's okay. SU means
Super.
Huh? SU means
Super unique.
super unique na. No, this is not that unique in Louis Vuitton, but Subo. And also because this is Kipol Bandolier. As you can see, here, I don't know what you call it. Or you can put this one. Not every Kipol has strap because this size is the smallest one, which is the size 45. So this is the smallest one. You know how much I bought it? How much? Yes.
15!
150,000 yen?
Yeah.
Which
12!
is 120,000 yen?
Yeah.
How about you?
Higher.
35,000 yen? Oh my God!
Stop lang yun.
The brand new of this is 211,000 yen. Yes, 211,000 yen brand new here in Japan. But I just bought it 160,000. It's still cheap because this is new condition and you cannot see this like 100,000 yen anyway. And there's a key. There's a key. I like this one because it's so small. And look, this is still shining, shimmering, splendid. Yeah. And by the way, this is also from the thrift store. I got it for 200-ish US dollars. This is very simple.
How much?
200 US dollars-ish. And this belt is 200 US dollars each. And this underwear is only $1. Also, this one I got it for only 300 US dollars. This is very vintage. As you can see, the baqueta has a lot of damage, but it's not peeling off or whatever. The baqueta is so brown. And this is a backpack. So yeah, there you go. There you have it. If you want to buy it, just message me on iancarlos TV_shop on Instagram. Actually, in the thrift store, they were selling it. They were selling it for 178,000 yen, but my friend is in there, so yeah, I got a discount. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. If you want to see more, please subscribe. This is the right size for everyone. This is the small one. The smallest one is 44. I wish they have the size 40. So I can use it for every day. But why will you use your Louis Vuitton every day? Bye.